What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I've got the update on the 2017 Lightning build. All right, boys, without further ado, check it out. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. The cab, I can't show you the interior just yet, but the cab is here. And if you caught last Friday's upload, you saw engine and everything is there. It's all wired. It's, you know, all the lines are there. But now we've got body on it. I'm not going to show you the interior yet, but the cab is on the truck. And it's getting closer. It's getting closer. And if you caught the very first video, y'all, this came as a completely bare frame. And obviously, not so much anymore. Yes, there will be a supercharger there very soon, but guys, I mean, it's coming along, and this is within like a week's time, roughly a week's time. And I am going to show you what's been going on in there, but I had to show you y'all. Very close. All right, boys, so if you're familiar with F-150s at all, the regular cab short bed, you can only basically get them in like an XL or an XLT, and which means you're going to get base interior, no sink, no touchscreen, but that doesn't mean you can't build your own. And that's precisely what Alex has been up to. Let's start right here. You cannot get a column shift or a console shift in a regular cab short bed. You can't get the big touchscreen with the Sync 3 or the climate control or all the other stuff that is in this truck now. So, you know, and of course the bucket seats, you can't get leather, you can't get the flow through console, you can't get any of this stuff. And that's what, again, y'all, is making this truck so special. It's going to be, basically, you can't buy this truck, essentially. It doesn't matter how much, you know, you try to special order or whatever, you can't buy it. Right.
I don't believe.
But hold on. If y'all don't believe, Alex knows what he's doing. Hold on. Yes, y'all. It's all lit up. It's all there. Uh-oh. We gotta service the advanced track, and the left rear door is ajar. Hold on a minute here. Where is that door?
I don't think you're gonna find that door.
There it is. There's the Sync 3. And the hill assist is not working. We're gonna work on the hill assist. That is too cool. Audio off. This is freaking crazy. And again, y'all, it's wild because you can't buy a regular cab short bed truck like this. Like, you can't get it. Okay, Alex, these the seat belts that you've had in your stash. Those are like the sport something or other.
Limited.
Yeah, limited with the red. And then he's got the steering wheel. It's right here. See, it's the leather wrap with the red stitching. So it's basically everything on the interior is going to have the, you know, like the black and the red stitching. Dude, that is freaking awesome. Again, guys, all you can get is just like the little base screen and the standard, not the climate control and
heated seats.
Exactly, leather, heated seats, which you'll see that in the next upload. We're going to pick up the carpet, the leather lariat seats are going to be in here. And we're going to drill a hole for the satellite radio. This is freaking cool. Alex, I can't believe you got everything fired up, dude. Just like, and what mileage is it? It's showing.
That's not the cluster going in. That's
the
dash I'm using.
Oh, that's right. You've got another cluster for it.
Yeah, it's a sport. It's going with the red background and everything.
Okay, so the cluster is also going to match everything too.
Seats will be red and black.
So red and black seats, and you're gonna get the console or the headliner redone. This is just crazy. I love it. And again, this is all Lariat stuff here, or platinum stuff, or
sports and the Lariats.
Yeah.
The same thing.
Once you get everything in, we just got to do a little cleaning on it, and this is gonna be such a cool truck. Absolutely wicked truck. And then when's the supercharger?
I put on sheet metal and all that put on next week.
Yeah. Yeah, we got to finish the body. And the bed, we got to pick up the bed at some point.
It's already picked up.
Okay.
It's at Nick's.
Okay, so we gotta get the bed. Is he gonna paint it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so Nick's gonna repaint the bed, and that's it. What about wheels?
I really hadn't decided yet.
Still working on the wheels. I still say use the ones on the trailer up there.
22s.
Okay, yeah, 22s will look good too, but
get the stance right on 22s without going with a tall tire.
Yeah, this thing's gonna be sick. I love it. And just like all the little touches too. It's not just like being thrown together. Like you've got all the little detail parts too. Mm-hmm. And here's the computer for the Sync 3, which again,
that's your module for your navigation.
Yeah. There's a module there. It's all Ford stuff. And guys, the cool thing is this is because you can only get stuff options like this in a 4-door truck. This is the 4-door harness, and it's just gonna tuck back here behind the seat.
I got to pin the wires for the rear door.
Yeah.
So closed. That's no problem. Done it.
That's sweet. So it'll just see the doors as being closed, and you'll never have anything pop up on the dash because it, like I said, it's got all the.
Show all doors ajar right now.
Let's see. Hold on, let me come around here and I'll show them. All right, guys, just so you can see, this is not like some hack job. Everything is gonna work exactly like it should. Passenger door ajar, hood ajar. Everything's there, everything's gonna be working. And then of course, your sink. So yeah, it's got all the steering wheel controls are all functional.
To clear all of that. Yeah, everything's gonna work.
It's so cool. It's like none of this should be here.
Settings.
Yes, that is wild.
Yeah, it shows it goes through everything. Very nice.
Just it's all OE stuff. Just made a few modifications to put it all in this little truck. That's crazy. Let's see. We'll do audio. There's a phone. Nav. As you guys can see, it's all there. All works. Freaking ridiculous. So again, all this is stuff you can't get in a regular cab short bed truck. And you guys can see this the body is actually from like an XL, like a base model. But once it's done, you won't be able to tell. It is gonna be too much fun. And Alex, if you want to just swap for a Coyote Fox, we can work something out,
Been there twice.
Yeah, right. But guys, it is coming along. I know I've had a lot of people asking about updates on the truck, and as you can see, it came in the first video you saw. In the first video, came in as a bare frame, and it's all powered up and everything. Here's a couple more of the parts, guys. The red stitching. This is the shifter, and then the console lid. And that's all going to match, of course, the steering wheels right here. I showed you that earlier. It's got the red stitching. Just needs to be cleaned up. But red stitching. And then, of course, the seat belts. I didn't even know you could get them like this, but this is for the Sport. Got the red and black. Dying to see this done. And we need the supercharger, Alex, as soon as possible. Yeah. Yeah. PayPal info is in the description. No, I'm just kidding. But, yeah, guys. Slowly but surely, it'll be back on the road, and I mean, even just with the Cobra Jet, and might even see what Cooks wants to do about maybe throwing some headers along with the exhaust or something on this truck, because it's going to need a little more until we get the Whipple and all that. All right, boys, so that is the update on the truck build. As you can see, not dragging feet on it. Waiting on the weather to cooperate to get this bad boy out and make some noise, and it'll be going home very soon. Again, that's just the cold and the rain have not been cooperating. If you caught this upload, yes, the VMP and the 2017 Coyote and the T56 Magnum are all in George's Leadfoot Grade 93. And Jeremy's is getting closer. Just working on the engine harness right here, getting all that stuff in there. We're gonna be
New injectors.
new injectors. What are we putting in there? ID 1050s, 1050s. Some big bag 1050s going in this bad boy to feed the Whipple supercharger. So guys, that is what is up. We're making it happen out here. We're trying to do big things. So hope you enjoy the videos, and if you do, if you think Alex has been killing it on this truck and you like the truck content, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. All right, that's it. Later.